morning and good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming to our webinar today. Today, Tatsuki Kitabe, Saki Aoki, and Yu Otsuki will be speaking. I hope you enjoy the webinar today.
Before we get started, I will explain today's webinar. We will use Zoom application. During the webinar, participants' face and voice are not shown or heard from the screen. Please don't worry about that. Your privacy is protected. We will have one survey at the end of the webinar to know what kind of problem or hope you have. Please answer the survey later. If you have any questions through the webinar, please leave a comment or a question from Q&A button. We will send you an email with answers after the webinar.
Okay, let's get started.
Today we are going to introduce the axis servo-driven swing robot. If we talk about swing type robot, pneumatic driven robot is generally used. However, we developed the axis servo-driven swing robot to solve problems of pneumatic driven swing robot. First, please watch a short video of our two-axis servo-driven swing robot EXZII.
The brand new two-axis servo sprue picker has joined our wide product lineup. The servo motor on the vertical arm and the kick unit has reduced the cycle time as well as the time spent on changing the molds.
We would like to introduce the advantages of the axis servo-driven swing robot. This is quite certain, but do any of you have such problems when using pneumatic swing robot? For example, want to improve productivity by shortening cycle time, especially in mold area. Want to shorten preparation time, such as stroke adjustment. Want to secure the safety-like operation in high places. I guess some of you may have these problems. Today, we will tell you our 3 solutions for these 3 problems with demonstrations. We hope it gives you a new idea. The contents for today are 1. Introduction of the axis servo-driven swing robot. 2. Productivity improvement. 3. Less operation at mold changing. 4. Ensure the worker's safety. 5. Bonus for other advantages.
We roughly introduced servo-driven swing robot. Now we would like to talk about topic number 2, productivity improvement. To improve productivity, shortening cycle time as much as possible is important. EXZII with fast takeout in mold area compared with pneumatic driven swing robot contribute to shorten cycle time by shortening takeout time. We explain this using figures on the next page. With pneumatic robot, takeout time is 2.1 seconds. On the other hand, with servo-driven robot, it is 0.8 seconds. So the difference is 1.3 seconds. The servo-driven robot is faster. How this difference leads to productivity improvement. Let's go to the next page and think about cycle time. If other process except for takeout operation are same speed, so 7.9 seconds, 7.9 seconds for both robots, cycle time is automatically 1.3 seconds shortened with servo-driven robot. Now we actually think about productivity. The condition is one product is produced with one cycle. Pneumatic driven robot with one cycle in 10 seconds means 360 shots in 1 hour and 8,640 shots in 1 day. On the other hand, servo-driven robot EXZII with one cycle in 8.7 seconds means 414 shots in 1 hour and 9,936 shots in 1 day. The difference is 1,296 shots. The difference of takeout time can contribute to improved productivity, for example, 15%. Productivity is 50% increased. Don't you think this is a big difference? Moreover, with EXZII, you can also shorten cycle time by using wait on above mode.
Let's go to next topic. Less operation at mode changing. First, please watch the video. As you can see, standard pneumatic type robot following steps are needed. Prepare the step or step ladder. Prepare the tool for adjusting. Hold it with a hand and climb up on the machine. Release the air pressure. Loosen the air stopper. Adjust the gripper position leaning across the mold. Fix the position. Climb down from the machine. So many operations on unstable and high place. With EXZII, you can adjust the stroke with controller pendant in front of the safety door of machines. Also, latched wrench slot is closer to base and easy to reach. You don't have to climb up on the injection molding machine to move the spool picker out of ways when changing the mold. For existing mold data, you only have to load the data from the memory. It takes only 5 seconds. These are quite big difference to shorten preparation time. We will show the motion of mold data A, change the mold data to mold B on the pendant, and then show the motion of mold data B. Please watch how quick the change process is. That was quick. As I already said, it only takes 5 seconds to change the existing mold data. Maximum 50 mold data can be stored in the controller. Like this, EXZII really useful for the customers who have a lot of machines and produce a wide variety of products in small quantities. Because preparation time is quite shortened compared with pneumatic driven robot.
Next, we will explain 4 topics. Ensure the worker's safety. Let's think about the risk of pneumatic robot. First, risk for the operators. There is possibility of getting damage like falling down from the machine, because the operator sometimes need to climb up on the injection molding machine for the operation. Second, the risk of breakage of parts. By using the stopper untightened or not tightened enough, stopper itself or some other parts can be broken. Third, the risk of breakage of equipment. For pneumatic robot, the tools for stroke adjustment are needed. These tools can be fall down to the mold or any other equipment set around the machine, such as crusher. Moreover, the operator could forget the tools on the machine. They could happen. Using pneumatic swing robot means carrying these risks. So to reduce such risk, Harmo developed 2-axis servo-driven swing robot. We will explain the advantage of using 2-axis servo-driven swing robot from a safety perspective. First, when adjusting the stroke, the operator does not need climb up on the machine. It is possibility for the operator to avoid the risk of falling down from the machine and getting hurt. Second, EXZII does not have stopper for adjustment, so no need to worry about the forgetting tighten the stopper and broken the parts. Third, same as second, adjusting is done with the controller pendant. No risk of breakage of equipment because you don't need tools, so you don't forget anything on the machine. As we explained, by adopting two-axis self-driving robot for swing robot, we can offer the solution of reduced risk that could happen with pneumatic robot and also ensure the safety of the operator and equipment.
As we explained already, we can say productivity improvement, fuel operation at more changing, and ensure the workers' safety are the advantages of EXZII. But we also have other advantages. At last, we introduce 4 other advantages. The first is the merit when taking out products. The quality of stop motion is accurate with two-axis self-driving robot. It only has a few vibrations. Especially this is effective when taking out the optical products such as lens. Taking out products without any scratch is important. The second, EXZII is environmentally friendly. Only few air is used, so if you compare with using air-driven robot, air consumption is less with self-driving robot. Moreover, it is possible to reduce exhaust air contaminating oil. It is available to use in clean room. The third is for space saving. You can set the second descent position. So if you want to put secondary machine or crusher next to the injection molding machine, you can minimize the occupying space as much as possible. The fourth is merit for maintenance. EXZII isn't equipped with packing and shock absorber, so it needs necessary bare minimum of maintenance. How was it? That's all for today. I hope you understand the advantages of two-axis self-driving swing robot. If you'd like to know more or need more details, we are happy to explain it to you. Please feel free to contact us anytime, or branch offices in other countries. We are trying our best to suggest the solutions when you face the problems. Please keep checking our webinars.
Next is announcement. In our YouTube channel, you can check the webinar, and also we have maintenance channel for our robot and equipment. Please subscribe them and use them.
We have a brand new website called Guide of Process Improvement in Injection Molding. You can check the documents that are helpful for you to solve your problems. We would like to add the contents corresponding to the latest economy situation. Please visit our new website sometimes.
When you leave this webinar, the questionnaire screen will come up. Please give us a few seconds to hear your voice. If you have any question, please leave a message. Thank you very much for watching the webinar until the end. See you next time. Bye bye.